So hello students, here we will discuss about the exponents and powers. We already have discussed the topic in part 1 and part 2. So in this part, this is part 3 only. So here in this part we will solve some problems. I have a book, and from that book I will put some questions here, and we will also find the solutions of those questions. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So the first, it is the easiest question even. 2 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 8 is equal to 2 to the power what? You have to fill in these blanks. So in the part 2 I discuss about the laws of exponent. If you have not watched that video, so please watch the video, and after watching that video you can watch this video, because in that video we discuss about the laws of exponents. So here in this problem we will use one of the laws of exponents. So in that law we discussed a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So in this law the bases are same. The bases are same and they are multiplied. So here the same thing is happening. The base 2 and the base 2, and they are multiplied. So the exponents will be added. So 10 plus 8, that is 18. So here the answer will be 2 to the power 18. Okay. So the question is, express each of the following with a single exponent. So there I have 7 questions. So I will choose only one and I will solve that question only. So let us take this one. Minus 1 by 3 whole squared, another power, that is 3, multiplied by minus 1 by 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 5. So we have to express this with a single exponent. Single exponent meaning to say you have to simplify it. So how we will simplify it? In that part 2 video where we discussed about the laws of exponent, there we got one law, that is a to the power m all to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So we will use this law here first. Okay. So what will be the answer here? Minus 1 by 3, since power of power, so 2 and 3 will be multiplied. So 2 3s are 6. Similarly, minus 1 by 3 whole to the power 20. Okay. Now we have seen the bases are same here. Here it is minus 1 by 3. Here it is also minus 1 by 3. Same bases and they are multiplied. So what will happen? The powers will be added. So minus 1 by 3 whole to the power 26. This is the answer. This is the simplified form of this question. So we have expressed this with a single exponent. So this is our result. Okay, is it clear? Now let us take another one where we will simplify. Minus 2 into 10 cube whole square. Minus 2 into 10 cube whole square. So what we'll do, you can see here, these and these are multiplied and the power is 2. So this power is 2. It actually indicates the bracket. What does the bracket mean? The brackets mean this 2 is the power of minus 2. This 2 is the power of 10 cube. Okay. So if we want to express, then we will express them in this way. And multiplied by 10 cube whole square. There was a law. That law looks like this one. A into b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m into b to the power m. So this law is used here. This is the a, yes or no? Minus 2. This is the 10 cube, this is b. Okay, and minus 2 square, so a to the power m. Here you see this one, this to the power this, so this to the power this one, what I have written. And similarly multiply sign 10 cube square, that is b to the power m, b to the power m. So what, 10 cube square, this is written here. Now minus 2 squared, what will be the minus 2 squared? If I ask anyone, then he will definitely tell me minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. That means 2 times you have to multiply minus 2 repeatedly. Yes or no? Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus minus will be plus, and 2 2s are 4. So minus 2 squared is plus 4. So I will write the 4 here. Then 10 cube squared. Powers of power. So powers of power means what? Multiplied. They will be multiplied. So 10 to the power 6. So finally 4 into 10 to the power 6. It actually means 4 into 1 followed by how many zeros? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total the answer is 4 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is your answer. Now let us take another one. I suggest you to pause the video and copy the, you can copy the solution in your copy. We have minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8. Somebody asked me this question. Minus 4 to the power 5 and minus 4 to the power 8. Bhaskar has asked me minus 4 to the power 5 by minus 4 to the power 8. In this case, this is look like this one, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Yes or no? Minus 4 to the power 5 is divided by minus 4 to the power 8. So this is looks like only a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So what I can do, a to the power, in that law we have already discussed what is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is a to the power m minus n. So here the result will be minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8. Yes or no? After that, if you do the calculation, 5 minus 8 is what? You have 5 sticks. How many sticks? 5 sticks. And I ask you 8 sticks. You give me 8 sticks. Will you be able to give me 8 sticks? Certainly not. So what you will do? You will give me this one. Okay, and you will borrow this tree. Yes or no? You will borrow this tree. Now, then only you can give me. Okay, so after giving me, how many sticks do you have now? You do not have any sticks. Instead, now you have 3 borrowed sticks. Yes or no? You have borrowed, so you have to give that sticks to that person from where you have borrowed. So you have 3 minus 3. Minus 3 is the answer. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So minus 4 to the power minus 3. In that part 2 we discussed what is a to the power minus n. Here I am writing them because I want to revise those laws. Okay, a to the power minus n is what? 1 by a to the power n. So minus 4 to the power minus 3 can be written as minus 4 cube, right? And it can be written as 1 by minus 4 cube. Minus 4 cube is what? Minus 64. Clear? So this is the answer. Now let us take another one. 7 naught. This is tricky one. 7 naught plus 8 naught plus 9 naught. In that part, in the laws of exponent, we already have discussed a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Yes or no? A to the power 0 is equal to 1. So can you tell me what will be the answer here? If you are saying only 1 will be the answer, then my dear student, you are wrong. Now you see here, try to understand this. A naught is equal to 1. So 7 naught will be equal to 1 plus 8 naught will also be equal to 1. 9 naught will also be equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what? 3. So this is the answer. Then find the value of x in each case. Find the value of x in each case. Find x. The question is find x. 2 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 256. It is the question. We have to find the value of x. Now we know that. Now I am rubbing this part. $256. Okay. If we want to prime factorize it, then it will become 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 32s are 64, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4. So finally, how many 2s are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That means 2 to the power 8 is 256. So 2 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 256 can be written as 2 to the power 8. Yes or no? So now you see, in both the cases the bases are same. So what we can do, we can compare the powers. X plus 2 will be equal to 8. Therefore x plus 2 will be equal to 8. So if you take this 2 to the other side, then x equal to 8 minus 2 plus 2 will change to minus 2. 8 minus 2 will be equal to 6. So your answer is x equal to 6. So the value of x is 6. So this is very easy. In fact, I don't find any difficulty in doing this kind of maths. You may be finding it, but if you learn or if you do hard work, that means if you do a lot of practice, then it will make you perfect, because practice makes a man perfect. Now another question, find x, not x this time, m. Find m. Okay, we have the question 49 into, this is a tricky one, that's why I am showing you. So 49 multiplied by minus 7 to the power m is equal to minus, this is minus. Oh, what's it? Alright, minus 343. This is minus, this is minus 343. So 49 into minus 7 to the power m is equal to minus 343. Now say 49 we can write 7 square. Yes or no? Right? And this one is minus 7 to the power m. No matter what's happening, let them happen. Minus 343. 343 we can factorize it. 7 4s are 28 and 6, so 7 9s are 63 and 7 7s are 49. So 7 cube is 343. But wait, this is minus 343, so we have to put this minus sign inside it. Now you can see, in here is also minus 7, in here is also minus 7. Wait, yes, now it is correct. But here this one is not minus. So what we will do, we will put a minus sign. Will it affect or will it make the value different? No, it will not bring any difference. Why? Because minus 7 square is also 49. It may be 7 square is it is also 49, and minus 7 square is also 49, because the power is even. When the power is even, this negative sign does not have any value. Okay, so this is implied sign. So minus 7 square, minus 7 to the power and minus 7 cube. What we will do, we will express or we will simplify this. In this case, both the bases are same and they are multiplied. So what we can write, minus 7 to the power 2 plus m and minus 7 whole cube. Okay, so now the bases are same, so we can compare the power. Therefore 2 plus m is equal to there is no minus, 3. 2 plus m is equal to 3. So if we find the value of m, then we will send this to the other side. That means 3 minus 2, that is 1. So the value of m is 1. You think or you assume that this is m. So m is equal to 1. with the value of m will be 1. I suggest you to pause the video and write down the maths. Now rename the number in expanded form using exponents. Again I am repeating the question. Rename the number in expanded form using exponents. We have to the question 7 8 0 9 3. We have to rename it. Rename means what? You have to that means you have to rewrite it. Okay, rewrite it using exponent. You have to expand this number using exponent. Okay, in class 3 or 4 or in class 2 you have got how to expand a number. Okay, how to expand a number. It will be equal to what? 1 2 3 4. It is what? 78,000. So we can write 7 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 plus 8 1 2 3 plus 0 0 0 plus 9 0 plus 3. I am writing this 7 followed by how many zeros? How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4. So 4 zeros. I am writing 8 here. How many digits are here? 1 2 3. So 3 zeros. I am writing this 0. How many digits are there? 2 digits. So 2 zeros. 9. How many 0? 1 0 3 no zeros. Okay, this is the expanded form we learned in very old days. Okay, in your childhood you have learned. Now we will change it into its exponent form, exponential form. What we can write here? 7 into 10 to the power. How many zeros are here? 1 2 3 4. Right? Plus 8 into how many zeros? 1 2 3. Thank you. No need to write this 0. You can just eliminate it. Just write it 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 3 into 10 to the power 0. Finally, this is the answer. Okay, this is the expansion of number using exponent. Now simplify. Okay, 3 cubed squared into 5 squared. This is a little bit different one. 9 squared into 5. Right? Can we change this or simplify this? Yes, of course, because powers of power. So 3 to the 6. So we can write 3 to the power 6. Right? Into 5 squared. Okay. Now 9 squared. Can we write it in different way? 9 squared. Okay. You see this one? 9 squared. Okay. 9 can be written as 3 squared. So can you write like this? 9 squared can be written in this way. So we will write that one. 3 squared whole square into 5. There is 5 only. Now 3 to the power 6 into 5 squared, and it will become 3 to the power 4 into 5. Can we write to the power of 1? 5 to the power 1? Can we write? Yes, of course. Now we have got the answer. 3 to the power 6 minus 4 into 5 to the power 2 minus 1. 6 minus 4, because same bases are there and they are getting divided, so the powers will be subtracted. 6 minus 4, and in here 2 minus 1. So 3 squared into 5. 3 squared is 9. I am writing it here. Into 5, that is 45. So this is the answer. Okay. Now let us take another one. Same type of question. 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 25. 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5. Now say 3 to the power 5. You cannot change this one. You have to keep it as it is. So we will not change anything. 3 to the power 5 is written as 3 to the power 5 only. 10 to the power 5. We can do something, because 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So we will use that. Right? 25 can be written in the exponential form, that is 5 squared. 5 to the power 7. 6 to the power 5 can be written in the form 2 into 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 to the power 5. This power 5. Now 3 to the power 5. A into B whole to the power n. In the law we have learned A into B whole to the power m is equal to A to the power m into B to the power n. So we will use that. So 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 into 5 squared. This one 5 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. Now this one is 3 to the power 5, and do we have any 3? No, here only we have. So 3 to the power 5 and 3. Oh, this will get cancelled. Okay. After that, you can see this 2 to the power 5 cancel. Okay, now what we are left with? 5 to the power 5 into 5 squared. Five to the power 5 into 5 squared. Both are having same basis, so power will be added, that is 5 to the power 7. In the denominator we have 5 to the power 7. We can cancel it, so we have 1. The answer is 1. So this is the end of this video. Hope you have learned a lot. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section, or also you can contact me directly in my WhatsApp number. So if you have found this video useful, then please like the video and share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, thanks for watching.